Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to fix this type of error while you're transferring files from your PC to a thumb drive. So basically, I have a USB drive, a 16 gig SanDisk, and when I transferred or tried to transfer this file, which is around 5 gig, it says that the file is too large for the destination file system to handle. So just click on cancel, and the problem is that this thumb drive is a FAT32 drive. So basically, a FAT32 drive can only handle 4 gig files. So the solution is that you just format it to NTFS. So here, just create a backup of your thumb drive and then right click and just click on format. Here, it will ask you some settings. Capacity is around 15 gig. File system should be NTFS. And then allocation unit size, you can just set it to default and then add your volume label and then leave this quick format checked and then click on start. After that, you can copy files on with more than 4 gig of file size. So basically that's it.